everyone, today we will try something new. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends.
Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Cinta and that's my cousin Qaseeh. Now we have tomatoes, ginger, green chilies, red chilies, garlic, potatoes and shallots.
We also have tamarind, sugar, salt, cooking oil, and of course we have sardine. Let us get going! Peel the potatoes, cutting chilies into small pieces like this. Cut tomatoes, shallots, and potatoes into cubes. Thinly slice the ginger and garlic. Be careful, even though these are plastic knives. Once all ingredients are ready, we can start cooking. First, put on the pan and switch on the stove. It is hot now. We're gonna fry the shallots and garlic first. Keep on stirring until fragrant. The aroma. We're hungry now. I'm doing the stirring, Kakak holding the handle. We are using an electrical stove, so it's less dangerous. Put in the potatoes and shallot. Keep on stirring. Kakak Cinta all smiling helping me cook. Look at that! And here's the delicious seasoning. Even too much scattering, bring the heat down. We are having fun cooking. We wanted to sing, but Pak Lu said no singing while cooking. Now, Uncle Matt is helping by pouring the gravy of the sardine. Continue stirring until all blended and well cooked. Nice smell, isn't it, Kakak? Now add tamarind juice. Squeeze the flesh to get the juice. Maybe about 3 tablespoons of it. Time for the main star, the sardines. They are tightly compressed inside the can. Getting them out can be a challenge. These chunky sardines are fragile. Stir gently to avoid breaking them apart. Next are cut chilies, cut tomatoes, a bit of water, and continue stirring. Lastly, salt and sugar to taste and let it simmer. Look at that nice gravy bubbling away. Let's eat it with rice or bread. We are almost done. Here you are, my chili sardines.